Harbour Digital Media provides digital training solutions for clients. Now, first question, what does that mean to your organization? Where do we start the conversation? How do we proceed? These are great questions. So let's dig in and let me explain. The first step is to facilitate a pre-consultation chat, a sort of SWOT analysis, so to speak. Who, what, where, and why. We need to fully understand the learning styles of the client, of your staff. How familiar are they with the myriad of digital tools available for delivery? For example, do we use cell phones, laptops, desktops? Which storage system or platform are they familiar with? Dropbox, Slack, Teams, Google Drive? How do the learners prefer receiving their content? Face-to-face, by live video, by recorded video, by micromodules? After our pre-consultation, we proceed to create the curriculum content and modules. We determine the digital delivery methods, create the quizzes, assessments, case studies where appropriate, and finalize the communication platforms and storage. Are those platforms Facebook, LinkedIn, Teams, Slack? Every client will be a different digital solution. Every solution will be custom-made, utilizing a myriad of digital delivery options. We are experts in every facet of digital training creation and delivery, those being content creation, delivery style and pedagogy, i.e. style of learning, and teaching implementation. Consider reaching out today for a pre-consultation conversation.